many customers, whether they're individuals or businesses. Our products are priced competitively to offer exceptional value for money, allowing customers to access premium quality and innovative features without breaking the bank. Additionally, our products are designed for durability and reliability, reducing long-term costs associated with maintenance and replacement. In summary, our products combine cutting-edge technology, reliability, efficiency, user-friendliness, and customization to provide you with unmatched value and performance. Whether you're a professional seeking the latest tools and equipment or a consumer looking for innovative solutions to enhance your daily life, you can trust our products to meet and exceed your expectations. Stay tuned as we showcase some of the technical features and capabilities that set our products apart from the competition. Now, let's explore the technical advantages of our products. Cutting-edge technology. Our products are at the forefront of technological innovation, incorporating the latest advancements to deliver unmatched performance and functionality. Whether it's precision engineering, smart automation, or advanced algorithms, we leverage cutting-edge technology to push the boundaries of what's possible and provide you with products that are ahead of the curve. If you are interested in our products, please comment discounts in the message area. We will provide you with a discount price. Reliability and durability. Backed by robust engineering and rigorous testing, our products are built to last. We utilize high-quality components and materials to ensure maximum durability, even in the most demanding environments. With our products, you can trust that they will perform reliably day in and day out, delivering consistent results over the long term. Customization and adaptability. We recognize that every user has unique preferences and requirements. That's why many of our products offer customizable settings and flexible configurations, allowing you to tailor them to your specific needs. Whether it's adjusting parameters, setting preferences, or integrating with other systems, our products can be easily adapted to suit your individual requirements, ensuring maximum versatility and compatibility. Hi, you came just the right time. We are introducing the latest product and there is some special offer. Efficiency and performance. Our products are designed to optimize efficiency and enhance performance, helping you achieve your goals faster and more effectively. Whether it's improving productivity, streamlining workflows, or maximizing energy efficiency, our products are engineered to deliver peak performance with minimal resources, saving you time, money, and effort in the process. No matter where you are, no matter what kind of product interests you, we're here to provide you with the best service and products possible. As a factory committed to quality and innovation, we continually strive for excellence to bring you more surprises and delights. Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. Today, we're going to present an exciting showcase of our latest products from the factory. In the upcoming live stream, we'll give you a detailed introduction to the features and advantages of our products, showcasing the latest designs and technologies. Whether you're looking for practical household items, fashionable accessories, or high-performance industrial equipment, we've got you covered.